The latest update in the Haridwar hate speech row, the Uttarakhand DGP has revealed that the special investigation team formed to investigate the Haridwar hate speech case has now arrested 5 accused so far. So we had been reporting that entire hate speech controversy. There was one arrest that was made, and now we are getting to know from the Uttarakhand DGP that there have been 5 arrests which have been made in the case so far. This is what the Uttarakhand DGP has revealed. The SIT team that was formed to investigate the Haridwar hate speech case has now arrested 5 people. 5 arrests so far have been made. Earlier, there was Wasim Rizvi, who in fact was arrested. There were lookout notices for Yati Narsinganand and also Annapurna, and now we're getting to know that 5 arrests have been made in the case so far. So this is what has come to light. The Uttarakhand DGP, in fact, mentioning that the SIT team probing that case has made 5 arrests. Remember, this is a controversy that has been brewing for a while now. Even the Supreme Court, in fact, took cognizance, gave 10 days to the Uttarakhand government to respond to this entire thing. After 28 days of absolute inaction in the case, now finally, 1 arrest this morning, 1 arrest, in fact, last night, and 5 more arrests that have been made in the case so far. My colleague Abhishek Sinha now joins me on the broadcast. Abhishek, big development, 5 arrests हो चुके हैं. SIT टीम का ये कहना है, उत्तराखंड DGP का इनफैक्ट ये कहना है कि SIT टीम ने 5 अरेस्ट किए हैं. क्या जानकारी है? और
देखिए, मैं आपको यहाँ बता दूं कि जो ट्वीट की आप जानकारी दे रहे हैं, ऐसा अभी 5 लोगों की गिरफ्तारी नहीं हुई है. बिल्कुल एक ही आदमी की गिरफ्तारी है. उनका नाम जितेंद्र नारायण त्यागी है. बाकी अभी जो मैं सर्च कर रहा था, इस पे मैंने जब डीजीपी साहब के ऑफिस से जानने की कोशिश की तो ये मामला ऐसा उन्होंने अनभिज्ञता जताई है. अभी तक उन्होंने मेरे से साफ तौर पे कहा है ऐसा मैंने कोई बयान नहीं दिया है. बाकी ये एसआईटी का गठन बहुत पहले हो चुका था. इसमें कहीं ना कहीं मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि कुछ मिस्टेक खबर जो चल रही है, जो गलत खबरें चल रही हैं, ऐसा अभी तक कुछ नहीं है.
तो अभिषेक, आप ये कह रहे हैं कि 5 अरेस्ट अभी तक नहीं हुए हैं as far as this case is concerned. All right, we'll get more inputs from Abhishek in this particular story. We will go ahead and try to get a sense on exactly what really is happening in this particular case. This is the Haridwar hate speech row. So far, Abhishek has been mentioning 1 arrest only has been made. That's Wasim Rizvi. Lookout notices for Narsinganand and Annapurna. We'd get to know if there is more development in this case.